Can I help you? Mastering offers in English. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to dive into a critical part of conversational English, making offers. Specifically, we'll focus on using the phrase, "Can I?" to extend a helping hand or make polite suggestions. Can I is a phrase we use to offer help or propose an action. When you say, "Can I?" you're essentially asking for permission to do something that benefits the person you're talking to. Let's look at an example. Can I open the window? Here, you're offering to open the window for someone else. Now, let's practice using "can I" in various situations. Imagine you're in a restaurant with a friend who looks cold. You could say, "Can I get you a sweater?" Or, if you notice a classmate struggling with a math problem, you could offer, "Can I help you with that?" Remember, the more you practice, the more natural it'll become. Speaking exercises are a great way to internalize what we've learned. Let's try a few. I'll give you a scenario, and you'll respond using, "Can I?" 1. Your friend is carrying a heavy bag. 2. You see a stranger struggling to find something on a map. 3. A coworker is unable to fix a paper jam in the printer. 4. Your little brother can't reach a book on a high shelf. 5. A neighbor is trying to take a group photo, but can't fit everyone in. Pause the video here, and practice your responses out loud. Great job practicing! Now let's see how you did. Here are possible responses to the scenarios. 1. Can I help you carry that bag? 2. Can I assist you with directions? 3. Can I help you fix the printer? 4. Can I get that book for you? 5. Can I take the photo for you? Remember, there are many ways to phrase these offers, so your answers may not exactly match these, and that's okay. That wraps up our session on making offers using "Can I?" It's a small phrase, but it packs a big punch in conversational English. As always, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing these scenarios and create some of your own. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, happy learning!